Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I am going to talk about how to use Mega Cloud Storage, and it will be a quick tutorial, but it will be also a step by step breakdown of Mega Storage. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So Mega is a platform where you can activate your privacy. Like, privacy is not an option with Mega, it is standard. That because we believe that everyone should be able to store data and communicate securely and privately online. So here you can easily store your image, photo, chat, whatever you want. So they give us allow these options, and let's dive into the main goal, that will be how to create a Mega account. So first of all, you need to be click on try Mega for free. Just click over here, and here they will give you the option to fulfill the form like name, email, password. So as you can see, this is the eventual result where we are allowed to use our first name, last name, email address, password. And again, you need to be retype your password, then you need to be check this link. Once you complete this, they will give you the activate link where you need to be click and then enter in your account. So I already have an account, that for reason I am not going to create an account, but you can do it by your own. It is only simple process, so you can do it by your own. So in fact, here you can see this is our Mega dashboard panel, and we already get 20 GB as free. So if you want to upgrade this version, you just need to be click over here, and they will give you the option here to choose any version you want. Here we have like Pro Lite, Pro 3, so you can choose whatever you want, but now I am going to work on only free version where we already get 20 GB. So here the main work is to create a folder or upload any file you want. You already see that we already have a folder low, but let's create another folder, that will be new folder, and folder name will be YouTube, and let's click on create. Once I click over here, it will take a while, and now you can see our folder has been created. If I go enter to the folder, then we also have the option to add file into this folder. Just click over here and upload file. Once I click over here, I can upload anything I want. So as you can see, this is our file has been uploaded, and if you want to share this folder, you are allowed to do it any particular person or anyone. So here you need to be search or invite your contacts. You can give them access to can view files only, read only, full access, whatever you want. Then if you want to upload folder or upload any kind of thing, then you just need to be click on upload folder. Once you click over here, now you are allowed to upload a folder. So as you can see, our file will be uploaded within a minute. So I hope this video will be helpful for you and knowledgeable for you. If you love this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.